Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making cilantro lime rice. For this dish we need rice. I'm using basmati. Give that a good rinse before covering with water, bringing up to a boil, lowering to a simmer, and cooking that for 20 minutes. Let that rest after it's done cooking for 5 minutes with the lid on. It'll give you the fluffiest rice ever. Just give that a little zhuzh with a fork. We're going to add in some scallions and some garlic. Mixing that through, and we're going to pop the lid back on because we really want this to really infuse throughout the rice. After a minute, we can go ahead and zest in a little lime zest. It's going to add this beautiful fresh brightness to our rice. Lid back on. After mixing, an additional minute rest. Then we are going to add some olive oil, juice of the lime, cilantro and chili, and a little kosher salt. Mix that around as well, and that's pretty much your cilantro rice done. Go ahead and plate this up. I serve this with some cumin lamb chops, which is on the channel if you want to watch that. But it's bright, herby, and absolutely delicious and really easy to make and worth the effort to do so. But there it is, cilantro lime rice. I hope you all try to make this in your home. Thank you so much for spending time with me once again today. I appreciate every single one of you. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, as I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you again, and until next time, happy cooking.